What modifications can I do to prevent wheel hop at the drag strip? Currently having the Dynamic Plus springs, trans mount, and PS4 tires. Definitely do any of our inserts that you can.
Yeah.
Diff insert and transmission and subframe inserts. Um,
Yeah, the inserts do help quite a bit because it's all that. I mean, you're loading up basically all these springs underneath the car,
yeah.
and when traction breaks, you have a much bigger, basically pull on that spring.
Our density motor mounts will help. Lock down the drivetrain more. But the best thing you can do is to dial in your launch
RPM, tire pressures.
tire pressures. That will do it. But those modifications we listed definitely. The more movement there is in the drivetrain, the more
Yeah, the bigger the oscillations.
which is literally what causes